Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how I meal prep for the week. I bought these containers at Costco. Each comes with 5 glass containers and I bought 2 sets. These containers are oven safe as well as freezer, microwave, and dishwasher safe. Several of the meals that I'm making have rice in them, so I'm going to start out by getting my rice ready. I made 2 cups. Here are some of the ingredients that I'm going to be using today. I haven't meal prepped before, but I am using a lot of foods that I normally like to eat and then trying to make it work for multiple meals. Not sure if that makes sense, but you'll see later on. Basically, I'm just winging it. I'm going to be working on several different meals at the same time. I'm cutting this tofu for a sushi type bowl that I'm making. I want the tofu to be shaped more like a rectangle, like a large rectangle, and not a cube. And then I'm going to make a corn, garlic, pepper mixture for a taco bowl that I'm making. I like to add a lot of pepper and a lot of salt to this and then just go ahead and let it cook on low heat. Next, I'm going to chop this cucumber up. I'm going to be using some of it for my sushi bowl as well as some of it for a Mediterranean salad.
There's something about the way that you understand. We don't need a rush and we don't need to make no plan. You say, pace yourself, slow it down. I don't want to waste my days with no one else. I love how it feels. Killing time, you and I. Hours, minutes, days and nights. Trading all of our deadlines for conversations over wine. Killing time, you and I. In this moment we're alive. Infatuated with your eyes and the way they look at mine when we're killing time. There's something about the way you talk with your hand. The way that you say my name when nobody's there. No. You say it's alright. Take your space if you need a break. And if I need to disconnect, that's okay. This ain't no race. Killing time, you and I. Hours, minutes, days and nights. Trading all of our deadlines for conversations over wine. Killing time, you and I. In this moment we're alive. Infatuated with your eyes and the way they look at mine when we're killing time. Hours, minutes, days and nights, trading all of our deadlines for conversations over wine. Killing time, you and I. In this moment we're alive. Infatuated with your eyes and the way they look at mine. We're killing time. Oh, killing time.
Now I'm gonna get started on the Mediterranean salad that I'm making. I'm gonna throw some chickpeas into this pan with some garlic and salt. I'm gonna chop up some onion and add that to the chickpea mixture. And I'm gonna add a little bit of tamari to this. And then I'm gonna chop up the rest of the cucumber into cubes. Add some olives and tomatoes. Then go ahead and add your chickpea and onion mixture into the bowl. For this last meal, I'm going to cut up some small red potatoes, add some chili oil, and put those in the air fryer. Once those are done, I'm going to add the rest of my pepper mixture, whatever I had left over from the taco bowl, and I'm also going to add some of the leftover beans. And then of course add some queso. I'm also going to add a little bit of sour cream. And here are the final results. I ended up eating the sushi bowl that night after a run, and I added some of this kimchi mayo, which is vegan and can be found at Whole Foods. It was really good.